Muingi wa bururi riu uri na kindu gia gukenerera thutha wa thirikari kwanirira ati unyihu wa mutu wa raithi uria ukoretwo gumeire icigo itiganite cia bururi ni ugukorwo ugithira kwa ica ikuhi. Akirekereria muhoyo ari thito-ini cia mbembe mwena wa Donholm, Minister wa urimi Wilibet ni augire ati wona ngunia milioni 3.8 cia mbembe cia kinya gicukiro-ini kia mirigo kia Mombatha ni magucitwara kuri athii ya mutu niguo mutu ucio ukorwo ugikinyira muingi na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka.
This is a continuous exercise of what we are doing to ensure that we avail the maize grain to the millers and to the Kenyan public as fast and as more efficient as possible.
Ihinda-ini riu Bet ni augire ati magukorwo makihuthira utungata wa reri ya kiriu o undu umwe na iria ya mukoroni niguo gutigirira mbembe icio ni ciakinyira athii a mutu.
The logistics might be a little bit higher because the SGR siting is not right into the NCPB depots. But when the containers are brought up to, say, Syokimau, it would be easy now for the millers and even NCPB to pick the cargo from Syokimau and store it in their stores.
Ikinya riri ria thirikari riukite mathaa manini tu thutha wa mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga gukirira thirikari akiuga niremetwo ni kugitira Kenya kumana na kuongerereka gwa thogora wa indo cia bata muturire-ini, undu uria wagiirwo kiene ni Bet akiuga ati ni mehotorete kugitira muingi ona thengia uteti kuingirio mubango-ini uyu.
It's unfortunate. Politicians will always play politics. But us as government servants, I think what we only have to do is to do our job. Like, you can never now because somebody might think it is because of our former Prime Minister going to a supermarket, that is why we have brought this. But if you can really check, this wagon started moving early yesterday.
No na kuri uguo, Bet ni arutite mukana kuri ahuria biashara aria makunyitwo makiendia mutu uyu goro, akiuga ni magutacukirio ikinya irumu ria kiwatho.
We've been very keen on that. We've deployed our officers all over to ensure that we stop.
Ica ikuhi ni gukoretwo na makaya ati mutu uyu wa raithi ndukoretwo ugikinyira muingi wa bururi uria kwagiriire. Kuri muthenya wa rucio thirikari ni tanyitwo kwamukira makonia milioni 3.8 niguo guthie na mbere na kuhurana na ng'aragu iria thiete na mbere na kugumira bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.